Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Leo. I am very happy to see you today. Today we will learn something very useful, something you can use every day. We will learn how to order food in English. Yes, ordering food in a restaurant. It is fun, it is easy, and you can do it. Before we start, if you like English, if you like learning with me, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps me a lot. Thank you. Okay, let's start. Imagine this. You go to a restaurant. You are hungry, very hungry. Now, the waiter comes to your table. You can say, "Hello, can I have a menu, please?" Let's say it slowly together. Hello, can I have a menu, please? Yes, very good. Again, slowly. Hello, can I have a menu, please? Sometimes the waiter asks, "Here is the menu. Are you ready to order?" And you can say, "Not yet, please. Can I look at the menu?" Say it with me. Not yet, please. Can I look at the menu? Very good. Now, let's imagine you know what you want. You want a cheeseburger, okay? You can say, "I would like a cheeseburger, please." Say it slowly. I would like a cheeseburger, please. Again, I would like a cheeseburger, please. The waiter may ask, "Would you like fries with that?" You can answer, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you." Say it with me. Yes, please. No, thank you. Very good. Sometimes you want a drink. You can say, "Can I have a soda, please?" Slowly, "Can I have a soda, please?" Yes, very good. Or maybe water. "Can I have water, please?" Again, slowly, "Can I have water, please?" Perfect. Now, let's have a small practice. Imagine I am the waiter, you are the customer. I ask, "What would you like to eat?" You can answer, "I would like a pizza, please." Say it slowly. I would like a pizza, please. Yes, perfect. Sometimes the waiter asks, "Do you want it with cheese?" You can answer, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you." Say it with me. Yes, please. No, thank you. Don't be shy. Repeat it. Now, let's practice a full, short conversation. I will show you both parts, okay? Waiter. Hello, can I take your order? You. Yes, I would like a cheeseburger, please. Waiter. Would you like fries with that? You. Yes, please. Waiter. What would you like to drink? You. Can I have water, please? Waiter. Sure. Anything else? You. No, thank you. See? Very easy, very simple. Let's repeat some key phrases, slowly, clear. I would like a cheeseburger, please. I would like a pizza, please. Can I have water, please? Can I have soda, please? Yes, please. No, thank you. Good, very good. Remember, don't worry if you make mistakes. It is okay. We all make mistakes, even me. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the better you get. You can practice at home, with a friend, or even in front of a mirror. Yes, talk to the mirror. Very good. Now, let's practice asking politely. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Say it slowly. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Perfect. Or, if you want something again, can I have more water, please? Say it. Can I have more water, please? Very good. Imagine you are not sure what to order. You ask the waiter, "What do you recommend?" Say it slowly. What do you recommend? The waiter may say, "The pizza is very good." You answer, "Okay, I will have the pizza, please." Repeat slowly. "Okay, I will have the pizza, please." See? Simple. Easy. Remember these words. Please, thank you, excuse me. Very important. Use them all the time. Polite English is always good. Say it with me. Please, thank you, excuse me. Perfect. Now, it's your turn. Imagine you are at a restaurant. What would you like to eat? Think. Then say it slowly. I would like, please. Yes, very good. Let's do a final practice. Full conversation. Waiter. Hello. Are you ready to order? You. Yes. I would like a hamburger and fries, please. Waiter. Would you like a drink? You. Yes, please. Can I have a soda? Waiter. Anything else? You. No, thank you. Very good. Excellent. Today, we learned a lot. We learned how to ask for a menu, order food, order drinks, say yes please and no thank you, ask for the bill. All simple, very useful, very practical. Now, tell me in the comments, what is your favorite meal? Pizza? Hamburger? Salad? I want to read your answers. I will reply. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more easy English lessons. Thank you, thank you, thank you for learning English with me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.